Welcome again to Corridor Academy, dear students. So this is standard 6 and today we will discuss the chapter 4 of geography, that is maps and their essential features. Okay, I hope you like my all video. So you just subscribe, like and share my video. So let it. So today we'll go and discuss one by one all question answer in this chapter. So let's go to the topic. Okay, so this is your multiple choice question. So first question is, the maps showing natural feature of earth on land and on ocean floor are called physical map. Then the box on map that explain what the symbols on it means is called legend. The next question is, an irregular drawing of any surface or object and not drawn to scale is called sketch. Then question number 4, the map of a small area showing many details. This is large scale map. The next question, this is your fill in the blanks. If any problem, you just pause this video and write your answer. Okay, so the next question is, the art and science of map making is known as cartography. Okay, then maps generated by using GIS are known as smart maps. Then question number 3, maps showing political division of region are called political maps. Then question number 4, place on a map can correctly be located by using geographic coordinates. Then next question is, this is short answer type question, and C and D short answer type question, long answer type question we will write in this copy. Then you just pause and write your all answer. Okay, so this is your first question, you can see. So define the following: a map, scale and physical map और प्लान. एक एक को डिफाइन करना है. मैप क्या है, स्केल क्या है, फिजिकल मैप क्या है और प्लान क्या है, एक एक को डिफाइन करना है. हम लोग डिफाइन करेंगे अभी इसको. ये फास्ट आ गया तुम्हारा मैप. ये मैप. So a diagrammatic representation of all or a part of the earth's surface with definite features and drawn to scale is called map. Okay, then scale. The scale of the map is the ratio of the distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. The next question is physical map. The maps showing the natural features of the earth on the land and on ocean floor are called physical maps. Then come to the plan. So a detailed drawing made to scale to represent the features of a small area on a comparatively large scale is called a plan. Okay, then this is next question. What are geographic coordinates? Network of parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitude drawn on a map having some magnitude are called geographic coordinates of a point on the earth's surface. The next question. This is the next question. So what are conventional symbols? So conventional symbols are the symbols or signs that are used on the map to represent different features like temples, rivers, on tiled road, then church, city, international boundary, state boundary, etc. These symbols on the maps are used with a common consent among the nations. So अगर ये तुम्हें ये वाला वर्ड दिख नहीं रहा है ठीक से, इसका मीनिंग है ऑन सॉरी सो ये ऑन मेटल्ड रोड, UNMETALLED, ऑन मेटल्ड रोड, ओके, इसका नामकरण नहीं होता है, ऑन मेटल्ड रोड, कच्चा रोड, ओके। और इसका और भी एक हो सकता है आंसर, तो यहाँ पर देख लो दूसरा वाला, ये और है ना, डिफरेंट सिंबल्स आर यूज टू शो द नेचुरल एंड ह्यूमन मेड features of an area on a map. These symbols are called conventional symbols. These are universal, so it is a practice to use the same symbols all over the world. The next question is, what is projection? The method of representing the past of the earth surface on a plane surface or a paper using the geographic coordinates is called as map projection. The next question is question number D. This is your short answer type question. What is the importance of map? Describe its main components. So first is importance of map. It shows where a place is located in relation to another place and also shows the distance between places. The next is, it shows direction and express the highest and lowest point on the earth. There are 5 components of a map. First is geographic coordinates, second is scale, third is title, 4 is directions, and 5 is conventional symbols. Then next is geographic coordinates, give the exact location of any place and are uh, their future, therefore an essential feature of a map. Therefore, therefore. Then point 2, the title of a map. ये point 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 नहीं है, point 2, ये जो लिखा है ना point 2, point 3, okay. The title of a map is its heading and it suggests the main theme. A map may be physical, political and thematic. Then point 3 is, direction is the cardinal principle for finding direction on a map. For the scale of a map is the ratio of the distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. So तुम लोग इसको रोमन नंबर में भी लिख सकते हो, IV, और ये थर्ड आई ऐसे लिख सकते हो, ये या AB भी तुम दे सकते हो, स्मॉल AB। तो इसको थोड़ा देख लेना है, हाँ, जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 जैसा लग रहा है, तो इसको थोड़ा देख लेना है। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तुम्हारा आ गया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में क्या है? So some conventional symbols, color, etc. are used to represent some information on maps in order to save space. Symbols are explained by the help of a legend. It helps to identify the given symbols. ये तुम्हारा point 5, not question number 5. This is your point 5 and this is your question number 2. This is your question number 2. What is a geographic information system? Maps are the basic tool for studying practical feature and communication system. They are used to represent computer generated data both in mechanical and digital formats. Such a platform on computer is known as geographic information system. Geographic information system. Then question number 3 is, what is the scale of a map? What are its types? Scale of the map is the ratio of the distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. Then next point is the two type of scale used in a map are, what are they? Now, linear scale or representative fraction by RFS scale. The next question number 4, Mens, sorry, point. Mention the symbols that represent the metalled road, a leveled crossing, and a broken or rock ground tropical map. सॉरी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 गया, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आ गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर ये 4, ये कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है क्यों मालूम है? ये अभी इसका जो पॉइंट भी दिया गया फोर में, एक्चुअली में एक स्टूडेंट को दिया था लिखने के लिए, उसने थोड़ा इसको लिखना था, तो वो पॉइंट को वाई सेकेंड आई देने से चलता था, वो भी वहाँ उसको 1-2 में लिख दिया, तो वो थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है। तुम लोग पास बुक है, तुम लोग इसको लिख देना है, तो आप लोग को मालूम पड़ जाएगा 1-2 और फर्स्ट है सेकेंड है। देन फीचर को और सिंबल को मतलब कि डिटेल्स में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे। मेटल रोड कैसे होता है ना, ऐसे मतलब कि कंक्रीट वाला या तुम्हारा जो पीछू वाला रास्ता, पक्का रास्ता मेटल रोड, नॉन मेटल रोड कच्चा रास्ता। लेबल्ड क्रॉसिंग ये वाला होता है। ब्रोकन और रॉकी ग्राउंड ये होता है सिंबल इसका। ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर ई, लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट is the help of example differentiate between the type of maps, give at least 4 points. Then physical map and political map. Okay, so physical map or political map ये वाला। तो अभी फर्स्ट पॉइंट इसका देखेंगे। फिजिकल मैप्स रिप्रेजेंटेड द नेचुरल फीचर ऑफ द अर्थ। देन दीज मैप्स, कौन सा मैप्स? पॉलिटिकल मैप्स। पॉलिटिकल मैप्स रिप्रेजेंट द डिफरेंट कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। सेकेंड पॉइंट इज physical features like land, mountain, rivers, oceans, plains, etc. are represented on the physical map. ये क्या हो गया? दे रिप्रेजेंट इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्रीज एंड हाउ ए कंट्री इज डिवाइडेड इनटू स्टेट्स और प्रोविनेंस। देन नेक्स्ट ये है तुम्हारा फिजिकल मैप्स और पॉलिटिकल मैप्स। दे ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट द हाइट, डेप्थ एंड ऑन डिटेलिंग फीचर्स ऑफ द लैंड। इसमें क्या होता है पॉलिटिकल? ईच कंट्री हैज इट्स ओन पॉलिटिकल मैप विच रिप्रेजेंट्स हाउ ए कंट्री इज डिवाइडेड इनटू स्टेट्स एंड प्रोविनेंस। थर्ड पॉइंट इज ए मैप ऑफ इंडियाज ओशन बॉडीज एंड आइलैंड्स इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ फिजिकल मैप। फोर में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ एन इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट्स हाउ इंडिया इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 29 स्टेट्स a 7 union territories. Then question number 2, so this is mention the significance of advanced geographic tools and maps. The main geographical tools are planes, charts, sketches and maps. These have a greater significance in geography. इसका नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ये है, प्लान्स डायग्रामेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट एवरी मिनट डिटेल ऑफ द फीचर ऑफ ए स्मॉल एरिया ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल। नेक्स्ट इज स्केचेस आर इरेगुलर ड्राइंग्स ऑफ ए सरफेस without any scale that uses important marks to guide us to our destination. Then next question, next point, maps are charts play the most important role by giving us each and every physical, political and geographical detail about any land, country, continent or nations. The next is maps are of two types: general map that are of general use and give information on a variety of subjects. A single map may show distribution of crops, temperatures, rainfall, and even people living in the area. Then the thematic maps that have some particular themes like natural features of a land, political divisions, climate, transport, routes, distributions of agricultural crops, and may more specialized subjects. Two most popular thematic maps are physical maps and political maps. The next is distinguish between general purpose maps and thematic maps, plan and sketch, map and globe, physical map and political map. One by one we will discuss all the question answers. Okay, you just pause this video and write your all answer. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, so general purpose map. So first, general purpose map or thematic map. These maps are of general use and give information on variety of subject. So thematic, these maps have some some particular themes like natural features of land, political divisions, climatic, transport. Okay, so routes, distribution of agricultural crops, and many more specialized. Then second point is, so ये जो बच्चा है तो सेकंड पॉइंट यहाँ पे लिखा है और इसका सेकंड पॉइंट यहाँ पे लिखा है। अच्छा, मतलब कि इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, ये इतना जगह बचता है तो ये सेकंड पॉइंट इधर लिखना है। ये सेकंड और सेकंड ये पूरा सेम टू सेम रहना चाहिए। ये जगह खाली है तो रहने दो, उसको लिखना नहीं, ऐसे लिखा नहीं जाता है। जो डिस्टिंग्विश लिखा जाता है ऐसे नहीं लिखा जाता। तो ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट को फर्स्ट पॉइंट मान के चलो, ये इतना चला गया, ज़्यादा जगह जाने दो, और इस साइड में इतना जगह, इस ए जो जगह है खाली छोड़ देना है, और ए वाले को यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है। ये सेकेंड है ना, यहाँ पर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है। ओके, जो भी लिखा जाएगा यहाँ से, ये इसको मान के ये वाली जगह खाली रह जाएगा, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे इसको। ओके, तो हम क्या करेंगे ना, तो ये लिखा गया है, आंसर तो तुम्हारा है इसमें, तो आप लोग जब कॉपी में लिखोगे तो इस स्टाइल में लिखोगे। So a single map may show distribution of crops, temperature, rainfall, and even people living in the area. Then इसका जो second point है, यहाँ पे देखेंगे, two most popular thematic maps are physical maps and political maps. Okay, then plan or sketch. Plan or sketch. So a अच्छा, so first is a detailed drawing made to scale. ये S है, ये थोड़ा कर्सिव में लिख दिया, इसको देखना है, जहाँ पर ऐसा लिखा गया होगा तो वो S होगा। Made to scale to represent the features of a small area on comparatively large scale। इसका अगर फर्स्ट पॉइंट देखें तो ये स्केच का क्या हो गया, ए रफ ड्राइंग ऑफ एनीथिंग, एग्जाम्पल फ्रूट्स एंड एनिमल्स है, ANIMALS, एनिमल्स, ये AN मैं लिख देता हूँ, ANIMALS, एनिमल्स है। ओके, देन ए हाउस और ए कंट्री। The next point is, it is not drawn to scale, then it is also not drawn to scale, ये scale में नहीं देखा जाता। Then globe and maps. So first point is, it is a model representing the earth true spherical shape including rotation on its titled axis. Then इसका first point, it is a drawing of the whole earth or part of it on a flat surface. Then next question is, shows relative size of continents and oceans. So besides showing a relative size, they can represent information of any small area of continents and oceans. Then next is third eye. So it can be rotated to explain all features related to both the movements, rotation and revolution. इसका थर्ड पॉइंट, टू डायमेंशनल कन्वेंशनल मैप्स कैन नॉट शो द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ रोटेशन एंड रिवोल्यूशन, दो थ्री डायमेंशनल modern maps can do so on computers. Then next point, though there are no distribution in shapes and sizes, but in spite of that the identification may be very difficult. और यहाँ का there are certain destruction inherent in map making which are easy to identify. Then physical map or political map. Okay, so physical maps represent the natural feature of the earth. These maps represent the different countries of the world. Then physical feature like land, mountain, rivers, oceans, plain, etc. are represented on a physical map. ये क्या हो जाएगा ना, they are, second point, they are represent international boundaries and how countries and continent are separated. ये इसको दिखाएगा. The next point is, they also represent the height, depth and undiluting features of the land. Then third eye, each country has its own political map which represents how a country divided into states or provinces. The next point, a map of India's ocean bodies and islands is an example of physical map. For example, political map of India represents how India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. So that's it, the end. So don't forget for like and subscribe. Okay, bye.